JC Race Everything.
See you. Yo, I'm Brandon J. Sane. This is J. Sane Race Everything. We out here on the track again. You know where I'm at with these electric cars today. Still trying to get my pace down right. Still trying to get my turns and maneuverability with the cars. Still trying to fill the car out. You know, racing all these different vehicles, man, from like electric carts to motorized carts to bikes to supercars, all that kind of stuff, man. It takes a toll, and they all have their own little maneuverabilities and advantages and disadvantages on that. But out here, you know, I'm still trying to get my pace down right, and hopefully that'll keep me in check with all my races. I'm talking about for everything. You got to keep that mindset going. Check out this race here coming up. This is J. Sane Race Everything. Bam!
The game changed, but I maintain. Grip the grain, that foreign thing, let them hang. Leave the stain, but never leave a black eye. So high, run shit dry. Work, move till it dry. Beat that dry. It's all fire. I'm trying to turn the spot from you to my shit, nigga. Big shitter, cause I eat bigger. Got a clique of niggas that'll peel ya on the realer.
Your partner on the scope, better watch you, we coming. Even though the money fast, you could die quick. Nigga getting guap 250 for a Michael Sam Graham. Niggas talking kush, I'm talking hard dope. Hair runs, pills, meth, and some coke. I'm leaning to the left, I'm gone on that chronic smoke. About to spend a couple thousand on vacation for my folks. This money coming fast, about to make me choke.
She busted in the room when I was backing up the pounds. Now she look at me different from just a child. Wow. You run with the niggas that kill things. She was happy it was just weed, it could've been cocaine.
Late nights I move, Southside money move. Doing what I'm doing, I'm wide awake, I can't snooze. If you rob a nigga, dog, you must lose. Popping bottles, fucking hoes, foreign car cruise. Late nights I move, Southside money move. Doing what I'm doing, I'm wide awake, I can't be snoozing. If you rob a nigga, dog, you must be lose. Popping bottles, fucking hoes, foreign car cruise. Late nights I move, Southside money move. Doing what I'm doing, I'm wide awake, I can't be snoozing. If you rob a nigga, dog, you must be lose. Popping bottles, fucking hoes, foreign car cruise. Late nights I move, Southside money move. Doing what I'm doing, I'm wide awake, I can't be snoozing.
I still like gas, but gas is fast. But you know, that electric, you know, like I said, I'm a big guy, so and it could have the same base with the gas, but you know, the acceleration for a heavy guy, you know, it's different from a light guy. You know, you don't got to carry as much weight out of that corner or into the corner on the braking and all that. Or even going around the corner, you know, it's a lot of weight to be shifting in that thing. You know, I'm over 200 pounds, so racing against a guy that's probably like 175, that's a huge opposition, that's a huge advantage.
Cocaine under the bed, on the black plate. I would stop hustling, but I'ma miss what I make. Sour diesel with my sister, so I'm feeling great. I've been chasing bread since my birthday. Break out that digital scale, you can weigh it up. You can tell I'm from Milwaukee cause I love bucks. If you don't need dollars, then why you even fuck with me? That's what the OGs used to say to me when I was little.
Big real, same color tills. Pockets get swole like they hitting gills. Since a chick didn't dream about it, then the whole star coming game running slang something. Blow 100 like it ain't shit. Feel like the wrong nigga to even fuck with. Average nigga better know how to duck quick. Yeah, that diesel have a nigga buzzing, tripping, freak hitting, gang ditting, love smash hitting. How that glass sitting, how that glass sitting.
You know, I'm out here still trying to get my skills tight, get everything right.
Poppin' in Dallas.
Yeah, so as you can see on that race, of my last race there, you know, it was real hectic, man. You know, I came across a couple of slow racers, then I was able to pass them. Once I passed them, I started catching up. But the only thing about them carts, you know, I'm a big guy, so it's kind of cramped a little bit. You know, sometimes I end up hitting a brake because my legs so jammed up and I'm on the gas all the time. So, you know, things like that happen, man. So, hope y'all enjoyed that race. I'm Brandon J. Sane. This is J. Sane Race Everything. I see you at the finish line.